More than 49 years of experience, offers more than 870 SKU, and has largest foundry in India. Alicon Castalloy Ltd, an aluminium cast manufacturer. Company has more than 49 years of experience in manufacturing aluminum cast products for automotive and non-automotive segment. About 94% of the revenue is generated from automotive and 6% from non-automotive segment. Under automotive, about 40% of the revenue is generated from just two-wheeler segment. Company serves diverse industry segment and is introducing new products to penetrate EV segment. The company was incorporated in 1994 and got public in 1995. They are based in Pune with more than 500 employees and 2,600 workers. Company has 4 manufacturing plants located in Pune, Binola, and 1 global plant in Slovakia with 74% capacity utilization. The market cap of the company is 2,042 crore rupees and currently trading at 1,256 rupees per share. The company has a 22% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 223% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company is a joint venture between India-based Pegasus Cast Alloy and Japan-based Enkei Corporation. The performance of the company in fiscal year 2021 was disrupted due to COVID-19. However, the company is now showing good signs of recovery. There is a small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Public holding is dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public. Company serves more than 95 clients from 18 countries, with revenue concentration of 74% from domestic and 26% from exports. Some clients of the company are Tata, Ashok Leyland, Honda, Royal Enfield, Toyota, Siemens, Bosch, GE, Samsung, and more. None of the clients contribute more than 15% of the total revenue, indicating low client concentration. Company aims to allocate a Capex of Rs 400 crores during the fiscal year 2024 to 2026 through internal accrual and debt. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.